Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Pisces placements. This is your general and love reading. The person on your mind. Okay. So, yeah, ngayong October. Okay, so again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And again, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganon rin po pagdating sa ating mga charms, okay? And sa ating mga pang-protection from evil eye, okay? So, yeah, let's start the reading. In general, what's for you, Pisces? Okay, in general, ano bang meron sa mga Pisces this October? Let's see. Pisces, October. The Nine of Cups. The Wish Fulfillment card. Wish fulfillment. O, diba? Okay. Kung ano yung nananais. Yung iba sa inyo, kung ano yung dinarasal nyo, yung minimithi ninyo. Okay? In general, pwedeng this October makuha or makamit or mag-grant. Yung iba sa inyo na may mga granter, pwedeng ngayong October niya i-grant. Okay? So, meron din ditong somebody's eyeing on you. Like, merong gusto sa'yo. Oo. Yung iba dito, may chance na parang ini-evaluate. Yeah. May mga taong hindi rin nasisiyahan. Okay? Sa mga pwede mong makamit ngayong October. Be careful. Okay? Wear your evil eye protections kung meron. Okay? So, what else? Pisces. The Lovers in reversed. And the Knight of Swords. I'm hearing some of you could enter a short-term connection, no? Pagdating sa love nga. Okay, a short-term connection na pwedeng mag-start ngayong October. Okay? With a Gemini or an air sign. Ang tawag dito, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay. What else? The Six of Coins in reversed. And the Eight of Coins in reverse. Yung iba dito pagdating sa kaperahan in general, medyo mababa, no? The Magician in reverse. This is evil eye. So, pwedeng may nagbabato ng hindi magandang energy sa'yo. Kung hindi nagiging maganda ang pamamera mo ngayon. Okay? Let's see. Merong hindi magiging fair pagdating po sa workplace. Okay? Or in general, pagdating sa pamamera mo, hindi nagiging balance eh. Yeah, the Tower. So, may mga kasi, may mga parang tawag dito, walang mga pakialam. Okay, itong energy na nakukuha ko dito, para silang mga walang paki. Okay, we have, kung titingnan nyo itong naka-reverse na Three of Wands. Bahala ka. Parang ganun yung nakikita ko sa kanya eh. Okay? Like, commitments, pero hindi sila makikipag-commit, hindi sila magiging committed sa kung ano man, okay, na pwedeng magbibigay ng hindrances or limits, no, pagdating sa, sabihin nating pamemera mo, okay? Parang mga walang pakialam. I don't know kung sino yun, pero, yeah. See? May money eh. This is big. This is big money. The Ace of Coins. Pero parang Meron ditong hindi nakikipag-ugnayan ng matino or maganda. Okay? Let's see. So, there's delays or pagbaba pagdating sa pamemera. Hindi naman sinasabing hihinto or titigil, pero may kaunting delays, no? So, the person on your mind, Pisces, let's see. So, mabilis ang reading lang. Pisces, the person on your mind, sino to? The person on your mind. The Knight of Cups in reverse. Somebody na pwedeng hot and cold. Okay, hot and cold. 1 minute, mabait. Maya, hindi na okay. Parang ganon. Temperance. So, ikaw itong sinusukat ang pasensya mo ng taong to. So, sinusukat niya or sinusukat mo ang pasensya mo pagdating sa kanya. Okay. Could be a Sagittarius or water sign. Okay. So, anong kailangan mong malaman, Pisces? Anong kailangan mong malaman sa inyo? 5 of Cups in reversed. Page of Swords. Hindi daw dapat palagi na parang nakakasanayan yung iintindihin yung isa. Okay, it's like papasok lang sa isang tenga, lalabas sa kabila. Parang may ganyan. Okay, so you have angel number 555. Nandito rin yung energy na parang lagi na lang may nakikita, lagi na lang may naririnig, na hindi dapat binibigyang pansin pagdating dito sa connection. What is their emotion? Their emotion for you, Pisces. Devil in reversed. The 5 of Wands. Some of you, this is SEX. More on SEX. Yeah, the 3 of Cups. This is sabihin nating itong taong to, may chance lang talaga na mag-hold on or mag-stay kung yung situation is sabihin nating magaan. Okay, hindi mo pa nakikita yung sabihin nating hindi maganda na part ng person. Okay? So, ang nakuha ko dito, emotionally, is just like energy ng puro lust. Lust, physical. Okay? More on physical. Yeah, physical. More on physical. Pero, pagdating sa emosyon, parang kulang the hot and cold. Okay? Parang mas matimbang dito yung physical. So, let's see. Next action niya. 4 of Cups in reverse. Why? The universe. So, the tawag dyan? The world. Next action is to distant from you. Dahil, nakakuha ko ng energy dito na parang young, immature. Andun yung tantrums nung iba. Okay, like kapag na-neglect mo or, na-ignore mo, andun yung didistansya siya. So, talagang susukatin ang pasensya mo ng taong to, Pisces. Okay? So, again, kung kayo'y ganito palagi, para kayong nasa cycle or parang ganito siya sanay sa'yo, meaning to say, there's no growth pagdating sa part niya. And yes, ganun na rin pagdating sa inyong connection. Okay? So, let's see. Anong advice for you, Pisces? Ayokong tingnan ng outcome. Ayokong outcome. Advice na lang. The 7 of Swords. Sometimes, hindi mo kailangan maging open. Okay? Paminsan-minsan, kailangan mong mayroong bigyang limitasyon itong tao na to. In general. Yeah, para rin sa kanya. The Wheel of Fortune. Okay? So, ito Hindi naman nangangahulugan kapag nilagyan mo ng limit ang isang tao pagdating sa connection is hindi mo na love. Okay, dun mo rin malalaman kung talagang magkiklik kayo ng tao or kung talagang kayo ay iisa. Okay, the mutual feelings, the goals, the intentions is the same. Kasi kung hindi, sabihin natin talagang magkakaroon ng gap, okay, sa connection. Doon mo malalaman. Pero kung ayaw mo, well, pagpatuloy mo kung anong ginagawa mo dito sa connection nyo. Yun nga lang, hindi ko alam kung hanggang kailan yung pasensya na ibinibigay mo. Okay? So, there. So, tayo ito muna sa all signs for you Pisces. Let's see. Pisces. Okay, Aries, feeling a strong connection, felt a strong connection. Taurus, they're waiting. Gemini, they want to communicate. Cancer, they're giving you mixed signals. Leo, they're unsure. Okay. Virgo, they need you. Libra, meron ditong blockages. Could be communication. Okay, meron ditong gusto makipag-usap, pero there's blockage. Scorpio, they're unhappy. Gusto ni Scorpio na parang maramdaman mo rin kung anong nararamdaman niya, ma-confuse ka. Sagittarius, there's ending here. Some of them, they're healing. Okay, Capricorn, may mga hindi totoo pagdating kay Capricorn. It's like filtered. Okay, some of them, it's like a facade. Okay, so Aquarius, they're unhappy. Could be, sabihin natin, hindi nila nasasabi kung ano yung totoo pagdating sa nararamdaman. Some of them, they're wearing a mask. So, Pisces, this is effort, focus, consistency. Okay? So, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, Pisces placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page. And yung atin mong second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Thank you. Goodbye.